Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the smart card module on a Dell Latitude 5488. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove base cover screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then remove chassis screws. Next, disconnect cables to release and remove chassis frame. Now unscrew and disconnect smart card module. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.